Welcome to the Candid Convo. At this moment, I would like to revisit the issue of youth empowerment and the involvement in leadership. And I think as a person, I believe we've never been in a better opportunity as young people. We've never been in a better opportunity as a country to institute change that can create self-sustainability among us, the citizenry. Because we have a situation in the country where the system is in self-destruct mode, going by everything that is happening. The political establishment is in chaos. The political gods are scattered. So at the end of the day, as a result of this confusion, and as a result of the cluelessness among the political class, and as a result of the deliberate disconnection from the political leadership to the people, you realize that the people have woken up to the reality that these guys are not for us. These guys are not what they have always sold to us. So we need to do something. And as a society that is majoritarianly youth, 70+% of young people, 70+% of the population, 70+% of the voting bloc cannot just sit back and allow to be governed by inferiors who are even the minority. So it's high time that young people stepped up. And at the end of the day, the problem we've always had with young people is that it's one, procrastination, two, lack of faith in themselves, and then a lot of excuses. We've lived in an environment where we are taught to focus on what we don't have, so that we focus on chasing what we don't have. We were never raised to realize the value in what we have, whatever little. And that's the kind of mindset that we need to, that's how we need to change our mindset so that we get a new perspective of approaching things. At the end of the day, the problem in Kenya is not leadership. The problem in Kenya is not lack of employment. The problem in Kenya is not failed agricultural systems. The problem in Kenya is not education. The problem in Kenya is not health. The problem in Kenya is one, mindset of the people. Where we've lived in an environment where tokenism and blackmail are the key things in politics. So we end up voting for people for who they look, for who they appear to us, not for who they are. The second problem is the leadership now. We have refused to fix the leadership. And without fixing the leadership, we can never solve these problems. Because at the end of the day, with the right leadership, we have the right people in office, then they make the right policies, they create the right processes, the right systems are put in place, and the rest are just auto-operative. So you find in a position where when you have a right thinking, 21st century compliant leader who is creating solutions, 21st century compliant solutions for 21st century problems, you find that it's so easy to solve those problems. But as long as we still have the same people who still believe in the conservative ways of solving problems, we will never solve the problems, especially for the young people. So for the young people, it's up to us. It's up to the young people, all young people, to step up. Ask themselves, instead of looking at what we don't have, ask yourself, what do we have? What do I have? There's something called currencies. Ask yourself, what currencies do I have that I can use to realize value under the current circumstances? Because at the end of the day, once you understand your currencies, your currency can be your articulation. Your currency, there are those rich people, the currency for the rich people is money. So they use it to get whatever they want. The currency for politicians is the political power, the vote, that parliamentary power to determine the policy direction. That is their power. So as a citizen, as a young people, ask yourself, what's that special thing that I have that can take me to the next level? Because the most important thing in life is about moving to the next level. There can be development, there can be development without progress, but there can never be progress without development. In progress, there's development, but in development, there are no guarantees of progress. So the most important thing is to move forward. If you can't fly, run. If you can't run, walk. If you can't walk, crawl. The most important thing is to keep moving forward. So young people, step up. Ujitokeze, utambulike, ndio uchaguliwe. Build value in yourself, sell value, and you'll attract value. Because at the end of the day, nobody will pull you out of a hole. It's your duty. We are in a hole, we got ourselves there. We are the only people who can get ourselves out there. So young people, get out of your cocoons, get out of your comfort zones, pick up what you do, pick up any tool that you have. If it's political power, you can do it without any resource. The most important thing is to understand your segment, to understand your people. Once you create a relationship with your people, you understand your people, you relate with them, you'll get that position.